Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the easy method to use YOLO version 3 for object detection with Python and OpenCV. Now, YOLO stands for You Only Look Once, and trust me, it's not a romantic advice, it's an algorithm. The reason it's called YOLO is because the model looks at the image only once and then tells you what objects are there. No scanning multiple times, no wasting time, quick and efficient. So how do we set it up? The easy way, step 1, you need to install OpenCV. If you haven't already, just say the words pip install OpenCV-Python. Step 2, download the YOLO version 3 weight files and configuration file. These are available from the official Darknet site or on Git Hub. Don't worry, they are free. You will usually get 3 files, the YOLO version, 3 weights, the YOLO version, 3 configuration and a text file called coco.names which contain the 80 object categories YOLO can recognize. Now, let's load them in Python. Open your script and write import cv2. Then load the network using cv2.dnn.readnet from Darknet. For the parameters, give the configuration file and the weights file. Once loaded, you can also read the coco.name file to label the objects. Okay, that sounds a bit heavy, but here's where it gets fun. After loading, you send your input image or webcam video through the network. The network processes it and outputs bounding boxes, confidence scores and class labels, which means it draws a rectangle around your cat and proudly says, yes, that's a cat, 95% sure. Now, let's make it more funny or interactive. Imagine I point my webcam at you. What will you YOLO detect? Correct, it will say a person. If you hold a book, it might say cell phone. Not perfect, but still impressive. The easy trick here is using the OpenCV Deep Neural Network module instead of compiling the whole Darknet framework. You just need to load the configuration and weights once, and then you can run detections on images, videos, or live streams. And of course, remember, YOLO is fast but not perfect. If the lighting is poor, it may confuse your water bottle for a vase or your chair for a horse, but 90% of the time it works beautifully. So, to sum up, install OpenCV, download YOLO version, 3 weights, configuration and labels. Load them into your Python script, run the detection and boom, you have object detection running real time. And that's the easy method to use YOLO version 3. No complicated setup, no stress, just Python, OpenCV and a bit of curiosity.